I'm at 3923 Pensacola Avenue. I'm in the Old Brooklyn neighborhood. This is a very, very interesting spot that I think most people have no idea exists, but this is the north end of the neighborhood. We got a brick street, and right across is woods, and the zoo is down in the valley, and down the street is a connector that takes you right down to the zoo. So really, really cool spot, very quiet with nothing but woods. I was walking down the street and there was a little buck with some horns on his head. It was very cool. So we got the backyard here. Got our new AC in it. So we got a nice open floor plan here. 3 bedrooms. There's an office, new kitchen. Got vinyl windows, new furnace and AC. This beautiful porch here, which you can take in the view. Got a nice front door, great street presence here. Let's head in. And here we go. We got the nice open floor plan, bay window here. It was sunny just a little bit ago, but it's one of these fall days where it's sunny, it's cloudy. So this area, I'm like calling this an office. Could be, you could put your stereo in here, put your vinyl, TV. Again, office. This could be the living area. Thinking that's dining there because you're across from the kitchen. Got quartz counters, glass backsplash, glass tile, I should say. And we got new cabinets, nice big sink. Soft close. Door to the backyard. We've got a pantry. There's another closet there, and we've got a half bath. So it's nice. The half bath's got its own little hallway here, so it's not really off the kitchen. But again, got this peninsula, and look at that view right through the whole house. Awesome. See that orange maple out there. Again, we got our vinyl windows. We've got 3 bedrooms. Start with the smaller ones, but this is still nice. But again, you see the green from the outside. It's a very calm place. Big closets in all the bedrooms. This floor, it looks just like hardwood. It is some kind of manufactured flooring, but it is like, if you don't look hard, it'll fool you. It looks really good. Second bedroom, again, big closet. This would be the owner's suite here. So it's got a couple of different areas. This would be an area for the bed. And then kind of got a dressing area. You can put a chair here. The light is amazing. And you got 2 closets. So that's awesome. And we'll head down, take a look at the basement. Two ways down to the basement. There's an exterior entrance and there is the interior entrance, which I'm going down right now. So everything's down here has been freshly painted. Feels good down here. Hot water tank, electric, and then you've got your furnace. And this does have a sump pump, so water goes in there, gets pumped out to keep your basement dry. And then this is the exterior entrance. Got electrical box there. And that's about all I got. So, we're in Old Brooklyn. Again, we've got woods across the street. The zoo's down the hill. This is walkable to downtown Old Brooklyn. We got coffee shops, bars, restaurants, growing area. There's a lot going on. There's a new apartment building being built, market rate, and that's all within walking distance. Going the other way, you've got some shopping plazas over at Fulton and Memphis. So and also restaurants and bars, things like that. So there's a lot around here, very walkable. And if you're driving anywhere, Old Brooklyn is the center of Cleveland, so you can be anywhere in the region very quickly. So this is the Pensacola Trail Connector for the Brookside Reservation. This is what connects this part of Old Brooklyn to the zoo. That's Memphis right down there. And we've got these great woods. And so, this area is totally walkable to retail, restaurants. There's like a drug mart. There is a Save-A-Lot. A little further, there's a Giant Eagle also, which is probably more drivable, but all still in the neighborhood. It's also walkable to downtown Old Brooklyn. There's bars, restaurants, coffee shops, music club, bike shop, in an ever-growing list of businesses that are going into that downtown Old Brooklyn area, including a new apartment building, market rate apartment building. It's going to be going up. But I just want to kind of give you an idea of what this area looks like. And coming up on it, you can kind of see that's the tree line down in the valley. You can start to see some of the zoo buildings. So from here, you're looking right down on the zoo. Got a nice stair workout here if you want to get your stairs in, get a little workout in. But what an awesome thing for the neighborhood and for anyone who lives here.